guys, in this video we're going to discuss we're entering the Fourier series chapter, and before entering into the Fourier series chapter, I want you all to understand the concept of eigenvalues and eigenvectors. What is an eigenvalue and what is an eigenvector? Let's suppose we have a certain input x of t and a system h of t with a random impulse response h of t, and the output is k into x of t, where k is a constant, and this constant value is called eigenvalue, eigenvalue, and x of t is called eigenvector, eigenvector for the system, if any function like x of t satisfies this criteria, then we will call x of t as an eigen function and k as an eigenvalue of the system. Let's check for e power j omega naught t whether it is eigen function of the LTI system or not. E power j omega naught t. Let's suppose it's nothing but a pure phasor. It has no magnitude. The magnitude of this e power j omega naught equals to 1. So it's a pure phasor. E power j omega naught t some system with impulse response h of t, output y of t. How do we relate the output with system and with the input and the impulse response of the system? By convolution integral, right? Y of tau equals to x of tau h of t minus tau d tau, integral x of tau e power j omega naught tau naught t minus tau h of tau d tau e power j omega naught t is common, h of tau e power minus j omega naught tau d tau. E power j omega naught t into this is nothing but h of j omega naught. Input is e power j omega naught t. Output of the system is e power j omega naught t into h of j omega naught. Well, what I've done here, I have related output, input, and impulse response by convolution integral. Y of tau equal to x of tau h of t minus tau d tau, and I have substituted e power j omega naught t in terms of h of t minus tau. As convolution is commutative, you can reverse the order as well. It doesn't matter. E power j omega naught t minus tau h of tau d tau, e power j omega naught. Well, as the integration is only for the variable tau, I can remove e power j omega naught t outside and perform the integration here. What is this? This is the impulse response. This is the Fourier transform of the impulse response h of t, which is h of j omega naught. E power j omega naught to h of j omega naught. Am I again saying it's just a convolution integral. In this convolution integral, I have substituted this. I have taken e power j omega naught t common, as there is d tau. I am taking e power j omega naught t as a common. E power j omega naught t into h of tau e power minus j omega naught tau d tau. This is the Fourier transform of the impulse response of h of t. So h of j omega naught is a constant value. So if input as we have entered the input e power j omega naught t, output is some constant into e power j omega naught t. So can we call e power j omega naught t as an impulse, e power j omega naught t as an eigen function of the system? Of course, yes. What is the eigenvalue? Eigenvalue is h of j omega at that particular frequency omega naught. This is the eigenvalue. Eigen function is e power j omega naught. Eigenvalue is e h of j omega naught.